Hi, I'm Kristen Paszczykowski, and today I'm going to show you how to create a live webcast using your ReadyCam. The ReadyCam is a remotely controlled in-house studio that provides everything you need to produce live, on-demand videos with broadcast quality. The ReadyCam can be controlled anywhere using our online portal, VL Gateway. This means there's no need for on-site technical personnel. If you prefer, our trained professionals are always available to operate your ReadyCam from our control rooms here at VideoLink. To show you how easy it is to run a webcast using the ReadyCam, let's navigate to VL Gateway. Now, all we have to do is choose the webcasting provider. Today we will use Qumu. In your Qumu portal, copy the RTMP address and stream name details and paste them into VL Gateway. Take a few moments here to frame your shot. Finally, back in your webcasting platform, press Go Live, and that's it. You're ready to start your webcast. For more information on how to use the ReadyCam to run a webcast, reach out to us at any time. We hope to see you live soon.